Hey the Greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a
challenge.
But this is our first challenge.
Yeah. Let's see what we got first, lady.
Okay, so this challenge is called the Fruit Cup Challenge. Simple, a fruit cup. But it's mandarin oranges. I don't know if you can see that. Fruit Cup Challenge with mandarins.
Yes.
So I have 12 on my side and my husband has 12 on his side. The challenge is to see how many you can eat in 5 minutes. And here are the rules.
Explain it first, lady.
You cannot pre-open the package or the container. You have to open it as you go. And you have to drink and eat everything that's inside the container. Once you've done that, you can move on to the next.
Move on to the next.
At the end, we are going to be calling out 3 people. And then those 3 people can call out 2 people and 2 people and 2 people and 2 people.
Good job.
Richie thought of this challenge.
Yes.
I'm surprised you didn't have oxtail.
Nah, too dear. Too dear.
Oh yeah, too dear. And not everybody can get oxtail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it simple first, lady.
Now, has all the rules been said? Because I want to make sure. Oh, and you cannot edit your video.
No
so we want to make sure that there's no editing.
Yeah.
So, you know, just you can't edit.
Yes.
Just from start to finish.
Start to finish.
Guys, I'm nervous because you guys know how I am with challenges.
Me too. It's our first one. I'm worse nervous, but we got this though.
We got this. So, without further ado, I am going to press play. Let me just get up and press play.
It's going.
And it's going.
Damn, this hard open, girl.
Yes, that's right. Oh,
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh you. Gonna be messy. Wow. Wow. Good job. I ain't got no nails. First thing.
it's not in my face.
Wow, I messed up myself. This is messy. Hey, you like fruit? I can't open it. I ain't got no nails.
You don't need nails, honey. It has a flap.
It's hard for me to grab the flap. Damn, see? My flap ain't open. Ooh, shit. Damn. Hold on, Mark.
I know. So, I'm eating it.
I can't open my flap. My flap hard, girl. There we go. I like that one up. Is that right? That's 4. Wow. Wow. Alright. You okay for a second? Six.
Excuse me.
Seven. Doing your turn. Probably more than that. I can't see the top right here.
It'll beep. God damn.
You right?
It's good.
Yeah, this flat killing me. Flat killing me for a second.
Mm-mm. 58 seconds.
Wow. It's messy.
Stop, Sasha.
Wow.
Time.
Wow.
Oh shit.
I guess I did 11.
No, you did 12. Don't stop cutting yourself short. Stop short for the people that man. Shut. As soon as. Oh, wow. Oh, no. It's too wet over there, my love.
You wet over here. Wow. This is kind of messy, y'all.
Oh, God. Oh, shit.
Oh, that was good, though. Wow.
Damn.
I come like I peed on myself.
You on the flap is the problem.
The flap killed me.
The flap kill you for real.
Wow.
I was opening mine easy. You know,
Yeah,
I'm a lady. Oh, I can't edit, so I can't put that in there. But
Wow.
it's the end. I'm a lady.
Wow. That was good.
I mean, if you want to edit at the end, but you can't edit during the video.
Exactly. Wow. First lady.
Look at my shirt. It's soaked.
Woo, my beard.
Yo, you want something full?
Yo, that shit full you up now?
Yo.
So much I did for the 12?
You did 12.
I did 12.
12
All
in
12.
5 minutes.
Okay. First lady.
How much I did, my love?
You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 left. So you
So
do
I
8.
have something to eat.
She do 8.
The first 4 of them was delicious.
First lady. It's a, yeah, you was going fast. I couldn't open it because I couldn't get a grip.
Tom, the first 4 was delicious. After that, I was like, Lord, you know what they say when you eat something,
Yes.
keep on eating the same thing, it becomes. The last one, I was like, oh Lord, I couldn't eat anymore.
Wow.
I did better than I thought.
You did excellent. Yo, for a minute you had me scared like, oh shit, I can't do this. I said, yo,
You gonna beat your ass.
First lady gonna kick my little butt.
Beat your ass.
All right, first lady. So, who you say you calling out now?
The first person I am calling out is like mother, like daughter. Eat. And who you
Second
calling out,
person
my
I'm
love?
calling out is Rodney and Janelle.
And the third person that we are calling out is Real Ralph Mikaboo.
Yes.
Real Ralph and Mikaboo. Okay?
Wow.
And you guys have to call out 2 people, and they call out 2 people and 2 people and 2 people and 2 people and let them know that the greedy couple created the challenge.
Yes.
This is fun though.
That was good.
I'm curious to see how everybody does
do
it.
it. Yep. The
Yeah.
mandarin
Oranges.
Yes.
Yes, it has to be mandarin. Can't be peaches. Can't nothing
Yep.
mixed. Has to be this, and you have to open it as you go.
Yes.
Because that was a challenge. Yep. We got great value because we're cheap.
Great value right here. We got to keep it cheap and clean. $5 meal. All right, first
But it was pretty good.
It was good.
Yeah.
We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. We tried to challenge with y'all, and I think we did good. What y'all think?
So.
Hope you enjoyed. First lady, do your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang challenge. Bye.